Welcome everyone. This is your host John, the cryptocurrency social media educator. And today I'm going to show you how to get started, how to download MetaMask. Please keep in mind, all MetaMask and Trust Wallet don't only have a extension that you download on the computer. You can find the app in your Play Store, in your Apple Store or the Android Play Store. And all you got to do is just download the MetaMask app. So I'm doing it from the computer side because it makes it easier. Plus, if you're watching this video, the bigger the screen for some people is better for them to see and adjust and to catch everything. So that's why I'm doing it on the computer side. You can do this on the phone side as well. The main thing for those of you who have your HNO coins on Trust Wallet, like I do, I'm a member of this program, just like everyone else that's in the community. So I'm just one that I'm always known for making videos. So that's why I do videos for so many different programs that I get in. I'm known for making get started videos for most of the programs that I get in, and I do submit it to the companies for approval and compliance. So I'm known for that. So those of you that just need help with learning wallets and stuff like that, crypto wallets, that's what I'm known for. I started this years ago. Especially when MetaMask first came out. I got tutorial videos way back then when MetaMask first came out and Trust Wallet. I was one of the first that actually created video tutorials for Trust Wallet and MetaMask. And of course, I submit stuff to them for compliance and approval. So all my videos are approved for MetaMask and Trust Wallet as I submit it, and just like any other program. So I'm known for that. So that's why I'm doing a video tutorial for this, for HNO Coin and MetaMask. As y'all see, in order to actually get your coins showing from Trust Wallet to MetaMask, you have to follow these steps. Now, main thing you're going to have in order to do this, the first thing you need to do is get your 12 seed words, which you should have backed up from your Trust Wallet. And they tell you to do that. Because you ever lose them 12 words, you lose your wallet. It's nothing Trust Wallet can do to help you recover it. So hopefully you backed it up, because you're going to need them 12 C words or 24 C words. It all depends how many they gave you when you download a Trust Wallet. You're going to need that first. So get that handy now, because what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to transfer everything from Trust Wallet to the MetaMask wallet, which I'm going to show y'all that live. So for me, I'm doing the extension. Y'all see I got a Trust Wallet here, which is a blue shield. Y'all see that now. I just want to show y'all hands on. I love to be transparent. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to scroll down. I am on the base network. Many of you have did all that. Y'all added the HNO Coin Smart Contract address. And your coin should be showing as you scroll down, which y'all see right here. I have 174,000 HNO coins, and it is showing zero balance. The previous email that just sent out is evident of that. They actually explained that, and that's why they're telling everybody to switch over to MetaMask. So that's why I'm making this new video to show y'all how to do that. So main thing is get your 12 C words handy so you can import them into MetaMask after you download the extension. As y'all see, here is the website for MetaMask if you're doing it on the computer. Go to metamask.io. I have it in the browser. metamask.io. That's the official MetaMask site. You go down, click Get Started. Okay, and after you hit the Get Started, it's going to take you here. Then it's going to ask you, install MetaMask extension for what browser? Now, you can choose which browser. The one I found is much easier for a lot of people is Chrome. Most people already got Google Chrome. So if you already got Google Chrome, just hit download extension. And you should be using the Google Chrome browser if you can. If you're not, just switch to Google Chrome browser. Makes it easy. You can download it for Firefox, whatever browser, make it easy. Whatever one you used to, make it easier for you. Just download extension for that. So for this video, I'm doing Google Chrome. I'm used to Google Chrome. Okay? Y'all see that? It says add to Chrome. I'm going to click on that button. You would do the same. Hit add to Chrome. And now if you go on your Play Store, just hit add and all that stuff. So it'll be the same steps. Then we'll wait for the next step to come up. And I already got my 12 C words handy. I already got copied it because I saved it. I backed it up. And some of you probably wrote it down. So make sure you got the same order and everything. I'm going to pause this while this loads a little slow. Okay, I hit download and install. So what I'm going to do to make it show on my computer side, y'all see those little puzzle piece at the top right of my screen? That's what extensions are. All you got to do for it to show, hit the pin icon beside MetaMask. So find it, look for it, hit the pin. It should now your little fox, which should be at the top. That's what the MetaMask icon is, the little fox. Y'all see my Trust Wallet got the blue shield, and I got MetaMask my fox, and I pinned it so it'll always be there every time I log in Google Chrome. I don't have to go looking for it. You should do the same. For those of you that have already have a wallet, you do not have to create a new wallet. You click I have an existing wallet. So click on that. Import uses secret recovery phrase, because you should have 12 words that you should written down or you saved online, which makes sure that's very secure. So I'm gonna hit import using, and for this part I'm not gonna show my C words because you're never supposed to do that. I'm gonna put my C words in, then I'm gonna hit continue, and it's gonna take me to the next step. Then it's gonna ask me, and then I should go from there, which I'm gonna show y'all that. So I'm gonna pause the video so I can put my stuff in to keep it confidential, and we'll go to the next step. Just follow me. I put my words in, and then now it's asking me to create a password. So create whatever password you feel comfortable with. You can put the same password you use for your Trust Wallet, if they require that on the Trust Wallet side. So I'm gonna put my password. I'm gonna do all that, and then I'm gonna hit go next. And then we go on the next step. And for those of you that's new to this, if you hit the little I symbol, it'll show your password to make sure you got everything like you want it. And it has a checkoff box. If you lose this password, MetaMask can't reset it. So that means if you lose your password, you have to follow these steps again, put your C words in. So please write your password down, save it, don't lose it, back it up. And I'm going to click the box because I have to in order to go to the next step. So create password. Y'all see that. Leave all this fine. Gather basic usage data. That's fine. Hit continue. See, your wallet is ready. Open wallet. Now y'all see it's going to pull up on the side, which is showing my wallet. Okay. It's going to actually automatic import a lot of my stuff that I already have, because this wallet has different coins that I use. But for this video tutorial, if the HNO coin don't show up automatic after you import, you have to get the contract address, which is the next step. So I'm gonna go get that from the email. Here go the email they sent. They have my previous video I sent earlier to show y'all how to do the MetaMask, but I'm making this video to help each one of you. So since we got the wallet up, that was the final step we left off. Now I'm going in the email. I'm gonna copy the contract address. Make sure you always check the first 3 and the last 3 of the address, and make sure you got the full. Their contract address is 0xC, ends with C43. So make sure when you paste it, it shows the first 3 and the last 3 of the address. Now we're going to import this token in your MetaMask wallet. Whether you're doing it on the phone or computer, just follow these steps. It got right here, all popular networks. Y'all see that? Okay. It's right under token, and this should be on your home page. Click on all popular networks. Go down and search for Base. If Base is not there, add it. And it might show on the additional networks. Just add Base, B-A-S-E. Once you click, then click on Base. Okay. Then after you click on Base, Base gonna be shown under token in the box. Then click the 3 dots to the far right of the screen. Click on the 3 dots, then hit import tokens. Then click custom token. Paste the contract address that you copied from the email in the box. And it should show like this. It should automatically detect the token symbol, HNO coin, and the decimal. Hit next. Right? See, it's showing the coin and it's showing the value. Y'all see that? Hit import. That's all you got to do, and it'll show in your wallet. Okay? So that's mainly how you transfer your coins from Trust Wallet to MetaMask. Very simple and easy as you follow these steps. If you miss a step, go back. If it ain't work out, go back to where you left off, where you was good at, and start from there, and your coins should show. And this is where you go to actually see your coins, and you click on the coins, and it is showing the value. And I did show y'all the blockchain that it was on previous. So basically you go from there, and to buy and sell, they have the instructions here, something they're gonna add. Just read the last email they have, and you go from there. Thank you for watching this video. This video tutorial just to show you how to transfer your coins from Trust Wallet to MetaMask by using your 12 C words Whether you do it on a computer or on the phone, you just follow the steps and you should be good. And if you're having difficulties doing it on your phones, if you got a computer, laptop, desktop, follow these steps. Use your computer. Save it up there. Make it easier for you. Computers are very easier for a lot of people that do crypto online. I find it easier for me as well. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. And comment below this video if it helped. And of course you'll receive updates from them as they continue to say updates about the coin and etc. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you on my next one.